Mark, come on. Come here, Junior. I gotta show you something. Daddy better hurry up or he gonna miss you. Junior. Look, come here. Come here. Come here, look. Look. Look over there. Look. Oh, look. Look at all these presents. Merry Christmas. Uh-uh. Why? Look at all of these presents, Junior. You don't care? Oh, this is a sick baby on Christmas. Junior, all these presents are for you. You don't want them? You want to go back to sleep? Well, what you want to do? This is sad.